Hello there, and today I'm gonna be showing you how you can change your flag on Fortnite. And this tutorial is gonna be quite short, so let's just get straight into it. First of all, after you opened Fortnite, then you have to go over to career, and then you can see here the option to change flag. And then you can just scroll down till you find your flag, and then you just have to click on it and then change flag. I'm from Norway, so the Norwegian flag is already displayed for me because I selected it before, so I'm not gonna be changing anything else. And remember, you can only change your flag once per 30 days, so keep that in mind. Anyways, that's it for this tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.